Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up notifications in Zoho Project in our full 2025 guide. This is a vital tool to keep you updated on the project's progress and ensure you never miss important updates. To start, log into your Zoho Project account. You'll find yourself on the dashboard, your control hub for all things Zoho. This is where you can see an overview of your projects, tasks, and other relevant information. Next up, navigate to the project that you want to set notifications for. This is important because notifications are project-specific, ensuring you only receive updates relevant to your role and responsibilities. Once you're in the project, find and click on the Settings tab. It's usually located towards the top right of your screen. The reason we do this is because the Settings tab is where Zoho houses all the customization options for your project, including notifications. Within Settings, you'll find a section labeled Notifications. Click on that. This step lets you access the notification settings where you can customize what updates you want to receive and how often. In the Notifications section, you'll find a range of options. You can choose to get notified about task updates, new comments, status changes, and much more. You can also decide if you want these notifications instantly, daily, or weekly. Customize these settings based on your preference. This is crucial because setting up your notifications this way ensures you get the information you need when you need it without being overwhelmed by constant updates. After you've selected your preferences, don't forget to hit the Save button. This helps us because it ensures that all your notification settings are saved and will be applied moving forward. So there you have it. Now that we've done that, you're all set to receive notifications in Zoho Project. Remember, the key is to tailor your notification settings to your needs to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. And with that, we wrap up today's guide on setting up notifications in Zoho Project. Remember, these notifications are your lifeline to staying updated and involved in your projects. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.